Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights County. Well, it was my favorite shot of the week, to fly in and see the first floor laid. Throughout the project, I would take some fuzzy pictures, but the goal was quantity, not quality. I was hoping to have enough good shots to use later. My parcel of shots and videos began to increase. From my command post, I could see the drone in the entire airspace. And as my comfort level increased, so did the complexity of my shots. What was interesting is that I began to add in different camera angles to my shots. This was a great day for flying, and I was beginning to estimate my flight times with each battery. I had my favorite shots that I was pulling off, but I began to experiment with the bird's eyes, the flyovers, fly-in-twos, hover rotationals, pull-aways, and reveals. Then there was the ability to hover and to capture the action as it happened. The teamwork of the framers was incredible to watch. The house was being put together, and I had a front row seat, so to speak, with using the drone. The afternoon flying and filming was similar to the morning. I was working on my shots and trying to concentrate on the entire process. When the workers weren't there, I could work on my preset positions for point of interest rotations from above. It was a great day. You can see the shadow of the drone in the shot. So what happened to all that wheat straw? Well, a skid steer showed up and began to haul it off to the correct site 2 doors down the street. I wonder if anybody had to pay any consequences for the wrong delivery. Well, the fun continued, and so did working on my shots. I was beginning to take the shots that I had mastered and bring them to different locations and add some different complexities to each one of them. I was adding back and forth movement to increase the height and practicing on how to move the camera. When you're a single pilot flying and filming at the same time, it can be difficult to have smooth transitions. But the great thing about continually working on the same shots is that practice begins to pay off in other shots too. Let's try that, became my motto. Hope you're enjoying what you're seeing today. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Our tip for the day is to slow down your gimbal speed so that you can get a smooth transition on your video shots.